Here's a look at a saddle entry using an arm drag. So from this position when we've got an opponent on their knees and I've got butterflies on the inside, I'm going to reach for their arm and set up an arm drag. With this arm drag, I'm pulling their shoulder to my opposite shoulder. From this position, they would not want to get swept with the butterfly sweep and also not give me back exposure. So my opponent would go and base out this leg. As they base out this leg, I go for a wraparound grip, and then what I do with my feet is the leg closest to this leg would come in and then set up a reverse X. So from here, I need to pull my shoulder to the floor, pulling my opponent to the floor with me. As I do that, I would start lifting my knees to my chest, starting to set up the saddle entry. So from here, I'm going to extend my legs to the ceiling and then reach for their far leg and get into the saddle. From here, I just sit back to the front, and then from here, we've got options of finishing whichever leg lock finish we want to do.